We'll guide you through how to use the Dropbox app on your MacBook Air. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your MacBook Air, and in the search bar, type Dropbox. Click on the Dropbox app from the search results and hit Get to download and install it. Once installed, go to your Applications folder and launch the Dropbox app. You'll see a welcome screen. If you already have a Dropbox account, click on Sign In and enter your login details. If not, click Sign Up to create a new account by entering your email, creating a password, and following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, the Dropbox icon will appear in your menu bar at the top of your screen. Click it to open the Dropbox menu. Here, you can see your recent activity, check notifications, and access preferences. To add files to your Dropbox, simply drag and drop them into the Dropbox folder that appears in your Finder under Favorites. The files will automatically sync to your Dropbox account in the cloud, making them accessible from any device where you log into Dropbox. For sharing files, right-click on the file in the Dropbox folder, hover over Share, and enter the email address of the person you want to share with. You can set permissions to allow them to view or edit the file. In the Dropbox menu preferences, you can adjust settings like notifications, account details, and sync options to suit your needs. Make sure to keep the app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.